Your strategy is changing, your priorities are moving, so new capabilities are needed. But is your team still working on the old picture? Well, with Bizzdesign Unify, everything stays connected. The publish view stays connected to the work behind it, so when something changes, you update the same frame, and you publish again with a shared view. For example, here is the capability map the team from NextDrive published recently. Back in our frame, the team has identified 2 new capabilities that need to be added at the end of the workshop. One is EV and battery development. The other one is connected car services. They connect directly to the overarching level 1 capability. So the relationship is clearly understood, and also direct to consumer distribution has moved from a very low to a medium maturity. Now let's publish. There's no new file, no competing version, that everyone sees the same picture. As the organization changes, the view everyone works with changes too.